Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make a good mask for your face that will help moisturize and nourish your skin. So let's get started. First of all, we need one egg yolk and one banana that you should mash this banana and two spoons olive oil. So after that you mashed your banana, you should add your yolk. You should mix all of your ingredients together. And we need 2 spoon olive oil that I wanna use this one. So after that we should mix all of our ingredients together. So now it's ready for put it on your face. So let's get started. I want to put this one on my face and we should mix it very good. Hi again. So today I wanted to put some mask on my face and I made it for you guys. And so after we mix all of our ingredients in this mask, we can put it on our face, and it's very good masks because that's make your face really moisturize and nourish your skin. So I want to put it on my face, and after you put it on your face you should wait for 10 minutes or 7 minutes. It's related to your skin. If you have a good skin you can put it a little less or put it a little more. So I want to put it on my face. I don't know how should I put it on my face, but I will use my fingers. So before I washed my fingers and I washed my face. So bananas are really smoothie. My face. It looks like baby's food, but it smells really good. Everyone can put this mask on face. It's not rated just for girls. Even males can put it on their face too, because it's really good. And we should wait. Oops, it's here. We should wait for 10 minutes and then we can wash our face and see it. How is this mask? So see you later, guys. So I just waited for 10 minutes and you can see that it's dried on my face, and I'm going to wash my face right now. So after I washed my face, I want to show it that how it's work or not. So hi again, I'm back. I just washed my face and I don't know if it's changed or no, so you can judge it on the, but it's really smooth right now. And please subscribe my YouTube and give me a thumbs up. So bye bye, see you later, guys.